First one I want to share with you is the Skyrate Anamorphic lens. And this thing is actually really awesome. It is built with quality. It's got really nice glass. And so what it actually does is it gets a wider field of view without making it look fisheye or warped. Now you will have to actually edit this footage, de-squeeze this on your timeline. And when you do, the footage looks so good. And this is where some of you might say, well, can I just get a super wide angle and then crop it in at the top and crop it in at the bottom to make it look like this? No, it actually does not look the same. Because when you get that super wide angle, you also get a little bit of that warp on the side, and that's not what this thing does. So it's very cinematic, and you pair that with a gimbal and you use it at night, tweak some of the settings on your GoPro, and you can get some really beautiful footage. Plus, because it's an anamorphic lens, you also get some of those light streaks. It is a great way to get more cinematic footage with your GoPro, so I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.